Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insight. Today we'll be doing the review of the Ulefone Arma 17 Pro. So let us begin with the review. So first of all, by 4. Brilliant IPS LCD, 108 megapixel camera on the back, 60 megapixel camera on the front, MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and 8 GB RAM, 66 watt of quick charge system, expandable storage. Let's go the verdict.
So verdict, Ulefone Ammo 70 Pro is a true performer, has come loaded with a variety of useful specifications. The smartphone makes uh, the new best deal to users with its camera setup, battery configuration, and storage unit. Now let's go to the display and camera.
Display and camera. So inside the Ulefone Arma 17 Pro 6.5-inch IPS LCD is present. The smartphone's front screen is bezel-less, providing 20:9 aspect ratio, 120 Hz of refresh rate, pixel density of 401 ppi, and resolution 1018 to 2408 pixels. Furthermore, according to glass Victor's is put on the display to protect it from external damage. There are three cameras incorporated within the Ulefone Arma 17 Pro. Two of them have 8 megapixel resolution and the other one has 108 megapixel resolution. The apertures of this phone are f by 1.89, f by 2.2 and f by 2.8. Also 60 megapixel primary camera is installed on the front side of the smartphone. Let's go to the configuration battery.
Configuration and battery. There's a Mali G57 MC2 and GPU inside the ULE phone. ARM 17 Pro to take care of the graphical requirements while meanwhile to maintain the entire operational functionality of the smartphone. The brand provides an octa-core CPU having a Cortex A55 and Cortex 76 processor modules, a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and 8 GB RAM. ULE phone's ARM 70 Pro battery has a charging capacity of 5,380 mAh. The battery is a light polymer type of not removable by nature. Moreover, the cell provides a large charging capacity of 66-watt quick charging system.
Next is storage and connectivity. The internal memory of the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro is 256 GB. Users with the help of the micro SD card can expand the storage space for up to 2 terabytes. Some country options on this phone are mobile hotspot, 5G, Wi-Fi, 800 by A11, A by AC by B by G by N by AC by AX, Bluetooth version 5.2, 4G VoLTE, networks in A, GPS, GLONASS. That's all the review. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Johns.
Madam Daniel is taken signing off.